Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to cover how to find the equation of a line given a graphical representation of the line, as well as some data points in a table. So the first thing I'm going to go over is the actual equation for a line, which is y equals mx plus b. And we'll go through each variable in that equation as well. So the variable y, that refers to the y value on the line. In this data table, it's each value here on the right side. M, that refers to the slope. And the slope of a line determines how steep or shallow the line is. If it's close to being vertical, it's a very high slope. If it's close to being horizontal, it's a very shallow slope. It's very low. X, similar to y, refers to the x values in the data table. So for this line, x will refer to any kind of value here on the left side of the table. And b, that refers to the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses the y-axis. So I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the slope. So slope, represented by m, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so what I'm going to do, in order to calculate the slope, I need two different points on the graph. So I'm going to use 2 points from the data table in order to calculate the slope. So the 2 points I'm going to use are the first two I have up here. So I'm going to do m equals 4 minus 7, those are the two y values I've chosen, over negative 1 minus negative 2. And I'm just going to do some simple algebra, and 4 minus 7, negative 3, negative 1 minus negative 2, 1. The slope is equal to negative 3. So I'm going to write that up here, because after I'm going to erase this now. So now that we have the slope, we can use that to find the y-intercept. And I'll show you how. So using the original formula for a line, y equals mx plus b, we can now put in our value for m, y equals negative 3x plus b. And now, in order to find b, we can plug in another set of points of data on the graph, and then just kind of work through the math there and see what we get. So I'm going to pick the point 0, 1. So when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0 plus b. And now, just to work through the math, 1 equals 0 plus b, b equals 1. So the new equation for our line is y equals negative 3x plus 1. And that's how you calculate the equation of a line.